The number one challenge security leaders face isn't technology, it's capacity. The volume of security incidents keeps climbing, and with AI on the attack vector, the number only would be unimaginably exponential. On the contrary, analyst bandwidth doesn't match. Tier 2 analysts, the ones who triage, investigate, and contain, are expensive, scarce, and burned out. What if you could add a Tier 2 analyst to your team in under a minute? One that works every incident with the same rigor, documents every decision, never gets fatigued, and scales instantly with your incident volume? Let's see how. Here we are in the Security Incident Response Workspace. This is where AI specialists live alongside human analysts. Same view, same workflows, same experience. Notice how you, as a SOC manager, can browse available specialists and add them directly to your team now. No handoffs, no waiting. In the Profile section, you can review the specialist capabilities configure, which assignment groups it belongs to, and validate that it's the right fit for your operation. The Tasks page is where you set the guardrails, configure human handover rules, map incident states, and decide whether post-incident analysis is required. When you are ready, hit the Add button. The specialist is now live, in your configured assignment groups and ready to take on incidents. What would have taken weeks of onboarding for a human analyst just happened in few seconds. Once you have added the AI specialist to your team, you can now set the incident assignment criteria, like how you would do normally for other users. Here's an example of a flow where the incident is assigned to an AI specialist when the incident category is phishing and priority is greater than 1. Now, let us see the T2 SOC AI specialist in action. Here is a phishing email impersonating the procurement team. The user reports the phishing email to the SOC team for further action. The email is sent as an attachment to the ServiceNow instance, where a phish email record and the corresponding security incident is created. Let us open the incident that is created. We see the incident is already assigned to the T2 SOC AI specialist. On the right-hand side, we can see the steps taken by the AI specialist. We see this is a high-priority security incident with a risk score of 92. The AI specialist performs a series of steps including threat lookup, citing search, observable enrichment, and email search. While it continues the investigation, let us understand the steps performed by the AI specialist. It has developed a plan for analysis and also documented it for explainability. The threat lookup results suggest that the observable involved is malicious, as reported by VirusTotal and hybrid analysis. Similarly, the observable enrichment suggests that the domain age is 3 days and likely a phishing attempt. The citing search has observed an internal citing of the observable. Based on the analysis done thus far, the AI specialist summarizes the key findings so far and also suggests further routing decisions for the containment phase. It then proceeds to generate the containment plan, consisting of resetting the credentials for the affected users and blocking the malicious observables. Following the containment plan, it has created INC records to reset the credentials for the affected users and blocked the malicious observables autonomously here. However, these are completely configurable, and you can enable human approval for critical decisions like blocking of the observables on the agent configuration. After briefing about the containment phase, it continues to formulate the eradication plan. The email search and delete operation is completed across 10 other user inboxes, and the summary is presented to the human for reference. It performs the PIA and closes the incident with the closure notes and the closure code. You can check the complete history on the AI workflow pane, where it details the outcome of all the actions. You can see the credential reset requests, email search results, the block status, and all the history in one place, making it completely explainable and traceable. What used to take hours or sometimes days is now handled by the AI specialist in few minutes, completely autonomously or semi-autonomously as you desire. Stay tuned for more specialists on the way. Thank you!